Ugh.
No.
Whoa, look up at that dog.
Someone's up there, isn't it? Oh, look at the village.
Oh,
Some people have done the village too.
yeah.
I'm working on that.
Let's go investigate this dog face.
Yeah, that's...
Yeah.
Seems like they're using this kind of red stone.
It's getting cold as we go up.
Yeah, it's getting up cold, but at least we have fur.
Yeah.
It's like made of stone. It's like completely made of stone.
Do I look dirty to you? I feel like I'm dirty just walking up that mountain. Where are you?
Yeah, you kind of look dirty. Your paws are a little muddy. Do I?
Let me check your paws. Yeah, your paws has some mud on them. Whoa! Ow, my legs.
Let's try to find a water hole.
Good.
Let's try to find a water hole. There seems to be some plains over there. So I was scavenging through the village. Then I found this emerald block, but I don't know what it's for.
Wait, let me see. Handed me?
Look, just an emerald block.
That's weird. Why is there an emerald block there?
Well, villagers tend to like emerald blocks.
Yeah, I guess.
Ah, it's a water hole.
Whoa!
Oh, what was that noise?
I don't know. Wait. Put something. There's a pressure plate.
There's a pressure plate.
It opened
Oh.
here.
But there's a guy. He's got a book.
You read it. I'm gonna go check everything else.
It says, "Oh, I've lost my emerald." Someone from what? How do you pronounce that? Sakanara, a new village being built by villagers completely. They only have one iron golem, and they're right next to a pond.
Wait.
One of the butchers stole my emerald block. Is that the emerald block?
Wait, come here. Come here. I need to talk to you alone. Yeah,
1
over here.
second, Jerry.
Right here. It's we look bad. We have the emerald block. So it looks like we stole the emerald block.
Let's go say we'll go look. Come back.
Okay. Okay, I'll be right back. So his name's Jerry? Is his name Jerry?
Jerry decided we will help you with your mission, so...
Okay, Jerry, we're gonna go look for it. We'll be right back.
Wait, go collect the pork chop.
Why?
The button just opens it up.
Oh, okay.
I guess if someone takes it, then...
Okay, so let's just sit here for a while and pretend that we get it. Okay, we got it.
Wait. Gotta, like, wait for quite a while.
I know. Let's go slay some animals. Where did you go?
Doesn't seem like there's any animals to slay this. Now's a good time to go back in.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. Put something there.
Run fast.
Jerry, guess what? We found your emerald. You're welcome. There you go.
Looks so happy.
Okay.
Give me a reward.
What?
Oh, give me a reward.
What is it?
Like, can be 2 diamonds. Here, take one. Thank you. That was very nice. I never knew.
Thank you very much, Jerry. We'll come back soon. Talk to you. Okay.
Talk to you. Do you think this place will ever be on road kind of thing? Oh, oh. It said we can come here anytime. It's a hotel kind of thing.
Okay.
It's a hotel for like.
Okay.
That are outlaws.
We have to go run. So we'll see you later, Jerry. We'll probably be back tomorrow. Okay. See you later, Jerry. Bye. That guy's a nice guy.
He seems nice. Yeah.
It's very well hidden.
Like, yeah, it's very well hidden. And he gave us 2 diamonds.
Okay.
Yes. I feel like there's like almost a mission. If we still need to find out the guy who's building that. Wait, we should go ask him if he's building that at all. You go back home, I'm gonna ask him if it's him.
Okay. Okay. So I'm just gonna walk back home. Jerry seems like a nice guy. He gave us a diamond. Okay, so here's our tents. I'm gonna get some clothes on. It's actually fairly cold. What the heck? I have absolutely no clue what that was. Okay. So, it's not my little hut. This is my hut. Where's Wicket? Oh, hello, Wicket. You wanna look at me? Hello, Wicket. What is that noise? Oh, hey.
He said he wasn't building it. He said he wasn't building it at all.
Oh. That's weird. It was pretty chilly out, so I decided to get some clothes on.
Then he comes in a rest for a little bit.
You mean? Okay. You're gonna go take a little rest?
Yeah.
Okay, I will be,
Don't try to hunt.
what?
Try to find some food.
Okay. I guess I'll see you after your nap. Okay. There he is. He's going to sleep. I'm quite tired too. It's like midday. Yeah. Okay. Let's go get some food. Yeah. Even though we do have a good enough supply stock of food in our chest or a little storage area. Okay, so I'm actually going to put that back. Let's put some of that away. Put that away. And put some of that away. And I'm going to actually put my diamond in there. Actually, no, I'm going to keep it on me just in case somebody comes and like, oh, jeez.
How long have I been asleep?
For about 20 seconds.
Oh gosh. I had like the worst nightmare ever. There was this guy. He almost looked like one of the villagers or something. But he had hair and his head wasn't as tall. And his arms were kind of out like a zombie. He had white eyes and he was trying to tame me. And as soon as I ate the bone, it was tamed. I woke up.
Sounds weird.
It's creepy.
I got some food for us.
Got some food? How much?
You want it?
But we should probably cook some of these pork chops. But
Yeah.
give me the pork chops. Let me put my diamond in my chest.
Yeah, that's I didn't because I didn't want anybody robbing us like the emerald got robbed. I'm gonna just feed our little doggies.